This is a chips package that we bought in Japan. It is from the brand Frito Lay, that is a division of Pepsico. The flavor is supposed to taste like soy sauce and butter. These spiral version chips are usually only available on the Japanese market. Let's open the package. The chips are very light and their shape is special. These chips are super crispy. They have a smooth and savory soy sauce and butter flavor. You should try this snack if you see it in Japan or in an Asian supermarket around you. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.